Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use an LLC for rental property. Forming an LLC protects your personal assets from potential claims related to your rental business. For example, if a tenant were to sue, your personal home and savings would generally be shielded. An LLC can also offer certain tax advantages, potentially simplifying your financial picture. This structure creates a clear separation, giving you peace of mind as a property owner for years to come. To establish your LLC, you will first register it with the Secretary of State in the state where your property is located or where you prefer to operate. You will also need to designate a registered agent for official communications. Finally, a well-drafted operating agreement, typically 20 to 30 pages long, is crucial. It defines how decisions are made and profits are distributed among members. This legal framework ensures smooth operations. Proper management is key to maintaining your LLC's benefits. Always keep your LLC's finances separate from your personal accounts. This separation is vital for liability protection. Meticulous record-keeping for all income and expenses, down to every $100 repair, is also essential for tax purposes and financial clarity. Remember to fulfill annual state compliance requirements, such as filing yearly reports, which often cost around $100, to keep your LLC in good standing. Before you create an LLC, it is wise to consult with both an attorney and a tax professional. They can advise you on the best structure for your specific situation and property. If you already own properties, discuss the transfer process, as it may involve small transfer fees or updated loan documents. Consistent compliance with state regulations is paramount, ensuring your LLC provides long-term protection and peace of mind as your real estate portfolio grows.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.